Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. I welcome you all. I'm your English teacher and my name is Razia. Okay, my dear students, this is your AFL week. AFL means Assessment for Learning. In other words, you can say that it's a revision week. Today, we will revise the sounds A to Z. As you all are well aware of these sounds because you already learned these sounds in your PG level.
Okay, students, now look here and tell me.
A apple, B bus, C cow, D dog, A elephant, fish, G girl, H hat, E igloo, J jet, K kite, L leaf, mango, nose, O orange, P pigeon, Qu queen, rainbow, snake, T tractor, umbrella, violin, whistle, xylophone, yo-yo, zebra. I'm sharing some links in description related to your topic A to Z and the vocabulary of the sounds. It will be very helpful for you. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.